How to use Samsung DeX. Now this is a video or a tutorial on a very general purpose and use of Samsung DeX. So Samsung DeX is actually a specific tablet in which you can work this either both a tablet or a working PC in just a single square gadget. So it has actually two specific classics or preferred mode. So the first mode is going to be the new text, which is actually works just like your general tablet experience, and it also has the classic text, which will give you out a specific interface into a familiar desktop environment. So all you just have to do once you turn on your Samsung DeX is just by going directly to settings and change the preferred mode. Now, for you to be able to use this to your PC, you'll have to download from the Microsoft Windows Store, which is going to be a specific software that lets you connect your Samsung DeX directly to your Windows 10 or higher. Now, if you're trying to connect this, or if you're using Samsung DeX as a Wi-Fi index mode or data mode, then you can just simply go to their official site in here, which is going to be samsung.com and slash support, and just simply direct search for Samsung DeX. And in here, there is going to be an on-screen prompt in which uh, if you will try to use the Samsung DeX fans runs continuously, if you're having issues with connecting to the internet in DeX mode, and if you also have like keyboard and mouse issues in DeX mode, and then all in all, and then if you have any other problems in here, then you can just simply try to text them or have a one-on-one inquiry about the Samsung DeX application. So that's pretty much it, and that's how you use Samsung DeX.